Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lex and I am back with another video. So this video is definitely last minute. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I came to pretty much show y'all what a Japanese thrift store looks like and shopping in a Japanese thrift store. Items, I got this long plaid looking cardigan and this long sweater dress type thing. Japanese style is definitely different. It's kind of like a baggy looking style, so it's sort of like the 90s era, I guess you could say. But it's a long ass sweater dress. But I definitely do find a lot of gems in this thrift store, so I just wanted to bring y'all along the way, and let's go ahead and get into this video. So I'm about to take y'all to somewhere very secret, very special. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, you know, anything like that, y'all see me with the designer bags all the time. So I'm about to show you exactly where I get them from. It is this thrift store and they are for the low. So here's all the wallets, or some of the like least expensive stuff. Gucci, Coach, Dior. They even have some Celine back here. Just like boxes and boxes. Got a lot of Coach stuff over here. Coach, Coach, Coach. I have some Chanel. Some Prada. Some Louis Vuitton glasses, Gucci, like the Louis wallet, and then the amazing case. All real. So they have like this one right here in the back that says 100000 is equivalent to 1,000 American dollars or a little bit less. Then we'll have this one at the top. It's equivalent to almost 400 American dollars. Everything in this case. They go around. Then we get to the Gucci. So they got like a Gucci backpack, Chanel wallet, Gucci hat, you know, Prada in the back, Gucci in the front, Chanel. They have t-shirts, ties, belts, Marc Jacobs, Balenciaga hats, Bottega Veneta, Hermes, more Coach, Louis Vuitton right here. This is the Bathing Ape shirt. This is the Balenciaga scarf. They also have a Fendi scarf. Let me come to the back. This is kind of like where the men's section is at. They have like a lot of different things. Vivienne Westwood, whoever that is, Calvin Klein, Kate Spade, Michael Kors. They have some watches, Burberry, Armani. They have some jewelry, Tiffany. Back to the front. Some more jewelry. They have all different types of like perfumes over here. Some watches. And then like Bathing Ape, North Face. They have like, you know, iPhones, the regular TVs, cameras, computers. They also have a lot of sports things. So as you can see, I'm walking. There's a lot of fishing poles. They have some snowboards and stuff in the back. And then they have a musician's best life. Guitars, bass, every single thing that you could ever think of. Have drums, keyboards, pianos. Military stuff. Come to the back. I'm pretty sure all these like weapons are fake, because Japan does not do like, you know, none of that. Yeah, so like this airsoft gun. So I think they're all like replicas. They have like a lot of anime stuff. know that video was really quick, but I had already been in the thrift store for like 20 minutes before I started the video, before I even thought that, oh, this would be a good time to film, you know, whatever. But I hope you liked the video. Go ahead and press that subscribe button, smash that like button, press those post notifications so the next time I upload you can be notified. And go ahead and share this video. Thank you for watching and living life with Lex.